Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to change the light settings, so switch between LT1 and LT3 on your Casio G-Shock GA-100. You can switch to LT1 if you want your light to be on for 1.5 seconds or LT3 in order to be on for 3 seconds. As you can see, when I press it, I have it up for 3 seconds. Now the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 4 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and then we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the various options and features that we have right here. I'm going to go past the setting of time and date, and after that we have the option to switch between LT1 and LT3. We are going to use the forward button in order to switch to LT1, or press it once again in order to go back to LT3. So in case you prefer LT3 or LT1, that is your own choice and preference. In order to end the process, we are going to press the adjust button and your option is going to be saved. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you found value and you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also I'm going to post a full guide on the Casio GA-100, so all the functions and features of this exact module. So make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. And also guys, if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.